Independent client customer Hayner. This is an installation of an entertainment area and an upstairs bonus room. Basically, we came in and this was just an open corner. We actually had some plumbing that was already sticking out of the wall there. So we knew everything folded into the left. Had a full 3-inch filler here on the left hand side. I've got the laser in here on the drawing or in the video, so you can see that we are in level. The floor drops about 3/8 of an inch from the left hand side to the right hand side, so we're basically up to the same level as the carpet on the right hand side. On the opening here, you have 19 1/8 inch opening as far as spacing goes. This is a 19-inch appliance, 18 7/8 or so. Just really tight as far as on the sides, but it is in place. Went ahead and pulled it up to just right at the face frame, but it may actually have to come out a little bit further. I went ahead and turned it on. It's getting cold inside, so everything's good there. Behind it, you got plenty of room as far as storage space, as far as moving it forward or back, so no problem there. On this one, functionality test here, got the wide drawer there. Don't have any handles here today, so we'll have to get some handles from them. I'm going to vacuum up here in just a few seconds. I got the vacuum just brought up. 2 doors there. Got our shelves here. Got a roll-out tray. Here's our full trash can. Slow close return. Again, didn't have any handles, so but right here's our upper pieces. And you got 2 60-inch shelves on the left, 2 60-inch shelves on the right. And as far as the drawing, this is our offsets here in the drawing. There's our touch-up kit, and then there's our drawing. So take a look at here. Everything's complete on the bottom. Same thing there. Everything's complete. Got it. All right, and the only thing we had a hiccup was I went ahead and put a piece of tape around the back of it and put the cover back on it, but you can see that that outlet is actually right in the height of our cabinets, so that's going to have to be moved, probably moved straight up, but and it won't show the hole if he did that. But otherwise, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 423-650-1051. Have a great day.